Why did the senior start taking Centrum Silver vitamins? Because he heard it's the only way to have a gilt-edged retirement. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on is Centrum Silver a good vitamin for seniors? Tip 1. Research Centrum Silver. Understanding the nutritional makeup of Centrum Silver is the first step to discerning its benefits. Each multivitamin tablet contains most essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins B1, B2, B6, B12, D, C, E, K, iodine, iron, and zinc. However, not all these nutrients are needed by every senior in the same amounts. Look into what each component does to the body to better understand how it benefits seniors. Tip 2. Understand the specific needs of seniors. For seniors, dietary needs change as age increases. High-quality multivitamins like Centrum Silver are formulated with these changes in mind. Hence, it has nutrients like vitamins B12, D, and calcium that are particularly important for older adults. Tip 3. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. They can give personalized advice based on a senior's current health condition, dietary requirements, and medications that may interact with the multivitamin. Tip 4. Consider the cost and availability. Centrum Silver is relatively affordable and widely available, making it a convenient choice for many seniors. However, keep in consideration that taking a multivitamin is a long-term commitment and will be a recurring cost. Tip 5. Check for artificial additives. Some people may be allergic to certain additives used in vitamin supplements. Carefully read the product label of Centrum Silver to find out if it contains any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives that can cause allergies or other adverse reactions. Tip 6. Consider the dosage. Getting too much of certain vitamins and minerals can also be harmful. Ensure the amounts provided in Centrum Silver align with recommended daily amounts and do not exceed upper tolerable levels. Tip 7. Assess swallowing capability. As some seniors may have difficulty swallowing large tablets, the size of the Centrum Silver tablets may be an issue for some. Consider looking into gummy or chewable multivitamin options if this is the case. Tip 8. Check the manufacturing standards. Make sure that the product is manufactured in a facility that follows good manufacturing practices and has been tested for purity and potency. Tip 9. Consider nutrient absorption. The ability to absorb nutrients decreases as we age. Nutrients in pill form may not be as readily absorbable as those from food. Make sure the senior's diet is still rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Tip 10. Check for common side effects. Some seniors may experience side effects like nausea or constipation when taking Centrum Silver. If this occurs, consider trying another brand or a different format like gummies or liquid. Tip 11. Think about a potential placebo effect. Some people report feeling better after taking a multivitamin, even if they don't have a nutritional deficiency. This placebo effect can improve the daily well-being of seniors.